Exciting news! Just got the keys to my new house right there. You know, after living in apartments for almost 15 years and having really bad roommates I'm scared of and I had to ignore, it's just really nice that I get to be in nature. I'm gonna really enjoy the peace and quiet. I plan to like catch up on my sleep schedule and start doing hobbies I've not been able to do. I have this really nice garden. It's so great. Just ate breakfast. I can't wait to see what the next few years bring. And what I really love about this house is it has its own little stream. Do you hear that? It does sound like someone's peeing, but it is so serene. Oh no. See these red flags? It's a big red flag because they're building a 14-story apartment complex right next to my new house. Maybe it'll be fine. Maybe I can deal with the noise. Maybe there's gonna be no noise. Time to read. I never have time to read. It's so nice. It's fine. Maybe try a different room. Time to record that song I've always wanted to record. Okay, I'll do something else. I just need to reset myself, take a nap, recenter, and then it'll be better when I wake up. Yes, okay. What the heck was that? In times like these, I just need to call my mom and talk to someone, and then I'll probably feel better. Mom, hi, you know that house I bought? I can't do it again. I moved into the wrong spot. They're gonna be doing construction for 10 years. It's in a 1,000-bedroom apartment. I'm not gonna have a view of the bay anymore. It's driving me crazy. I need to move back to the city where it was really noisy and I could hear like homeless people outside. Mom, can you hear me? Mom, can you hear me? Mom, I'm so sorry. Construction is so loud. I'm so sorry.